Apple is about to change everything. For decades, we have focused on screens. We wanted bigger displays and sharper pixels. But the future of technology is changing. In 2026, the biggest move in tech isn't a new screen at all. It is something you wear on your finger. It is the Apple Ring. For a long time, people thought Apple was behind. Samsung and other brands already released smart rings. People wondered why Apple was silent. They thought Apple was missing out on the trend. But they were wrong. Apple was not late. Apple was waiting. This is the classic Apple strategy. They did not like to be first. They liked to be the best. They watched the early smart rings. They saw the weak batteries and the limited sensors. They watched the competition struggle with accuracy. While others were rushing to market, Apple was filing patents. They were testing sensors in secret labs. Now, the wait is over. The Apple Ring is no longer a dream. It is a reality that is currently being manufactured. This is not just a health tracker. It is a new way to live. The tech world is in for a massive shock. Most people think a ring is just for counting steps. Apple sees it differently. They see it as an invisible controller for your entire life. Think about how you use your devices today. You have to touch a screen. You have to click a mouse. You have to tap a glass surface. The Apple Ring wants to remove that barrier. It uses high-precision motion sensors. These sensors are far more advanced than anything we have seen before. They can track the smallest movement of your finger. Imagine sitting at your desk with your Mac in front of you. You don't reach for the mouse. You simply move your finger in the air. This is spatial control. It turns your hand into a remote. This is the missing piece of the Apple ecosystem. It bridges the gap between you and your hardware. It makes the technology feel like a part of your body. But the control is only half of the story. The health features are where Apple plans to dominate. They are moving far beyond the basics. Most rings can track your heart rate, but Apple wants to track your life. We are hearing reports of continuous blood oxygen monitoring. This is very hard to do in a device this small. They are also adding skin temperature sensors. This can help predict if you're getting sick before you even feel a symptom. It can track your stress levels by measuring the electrical signals on your skin. There is one specific rumor that is shaking the industry. It is the holy grail of health tech, non-invasive glucose monitoring. For millions of people, checking blood sugar involves needles. Apple has been working on a way to do this with light sensors. If they put this in a ring, it changes the world. It makes the Apple Ring a medical necessity for many people. It moves the device from being a cool gadget to being a life-saving tool. This is how Apple wins. They solve a problem that no one else can solve. The design of the ring is also a major factor. Apple is obsessed with how things look and feel. They aren't making a bulky piece of plastic. They are making a piece of jewelry. It will be made of premium materials like titanium. It has to be light enough to wear all day and night. Because it has no screen, the battery life is incredible. Current leaks suggest the ring can last a full week on a single charge. This is a huge advantage over the Apple Watch. You don't have to worry about charging it every night. You can wear it to sleep and get perfect sleep data every single time. What happens to the Apple Watch? Some people think the ring will kill the watch, but Apple is smarter than that. They want you to own both. The ring and the watch will work together. They will share data to give you the most accurate health profile in history. The watch has the screen for notifications. The ring has the precision for motion and deep health tracking. They are two parts of the same brain. We are also looking at a new way to interact with your home. The Apple Ring will have a built-in NFC chip. This means you can pay for groceries with a wave of your hand. You can walk up to your front door and it will unlock automatically because it senses the ring. You can start your car without a key. This is the invisible part of the technology. It works in the background. You don't have to think about it. You just live your life and the ring handles the rest. The timing for this is perfect. It is now 2026. The technology has all. Why caught up to Apple's vision? The sensors are small enough. The chips are efficient enough. The ecosystem is ready. Everything Apple has built over the last 10 years has led to this moment. The iPhone was the hub. The watch was the companion. The ring is the final link. It is the device that makes the technology disappear. As we look toward the launch, the excitement is building. This isn't just a product launch. It is the start of a new era. An era where we aren't staring at screens all day. We're looking up at the world, and we're controlling it with a simple gesture. Apple is preparing to prove that the most powerful technology is the stuff you can't even see. The true power of the Apple Ring is found in the invisible threads that connect it to every other device you own. This is ecosystem mastery. For years, Apple has built a walled garden where every device talks to the next. The iPhone, the iPad, the Mac, and the Apple Watch all share a single brain. But the Apple Ring is the first device that doesn't ask for your attention. It doesn't beep or vibrate with annoying notifications. It doesn't have a screen that begs you to look down. It is designed to make the technology disappear while making the ecosystem more powerful than ever before. In this second phase of the wearable revolution, the Apple Ring becomes your primary authentication key. Imagine walking through your day without ever typing a password. Because the ring is in constant contact with your skin, it knows it is you. Through continuous authentication, the ring can verify your identity based on your unique heart rhythm or skin impedance. As long as the ring is on your finger, your MacBook stays unlocked. Your iPhone stays ready. Your smart home recognizes your presence the moment you touch the door handle. This is a new standard for security. It removes the friction of modern life. Many experts thought a smart ring would be a watch killer. Apple's vision is more calculated. They see the ring as a data multiplier. When you wear both, the devices create a sensor mesh around your body. The watch tracks your wrist movements, while the ring tracks your finger gestures and peripheral blood flow. This dual-point tracking allows for medical-grade accuracy. It turns your body into a data powerhouse. This also plays a huge role in spatial computing. With the rise of augmented reality, we need a way to interact with digital objects. Holding a controller feels unnatural. The Apple Ring solves this. It acts as a high-precision cursor for your eyes. As you look at a virtual screen, the ring tracks your finger gestures to click, drag, and drop. It allows you to manipulate the digital world with grace. The engineering required to fit a week of battery life into this small frame is a miracle. In 2026, Apple is expected to debut solid-state battery technology specifically for the Ring. These are safer, thinner, and hold a charge longer. This allows the Ring to be incredibly thin, like a standard wedding band. Charging will likely be handled by a sleek, transparent case that looks like a jewelry box. As we move toward the September 2026 launch, the pricing strategy reveals Apple's true intent. By positioning the Ring between $299 and $349, they're making it an accessible entry point. It is perfect for the minimalist who wants to stay connected but stop looking at screens. The Apple Ring is Apple's way of telling us to look back up. It handles payments, health, security, and control while staying invisible. It is a return to a more natural way of living. The Apple Ring isn't just another gadget. It is a statement about where humanity is going. We are moving toward a world where the most advanced technology is the technology you forget is even there. When you put on the Apple Ring in 2026, you're putting on the future. The era of the invisible iPhone has begun. In my opinion, this is the most exciting product Apple has announced in years. While phones have become incremental updates, the Ring represents a shift in how we actually live our lives. It prioritizes health and focus over distraction. If Apple can truly deliver non-invasive glucose monitoring, it will be the most important piece of technology in any of our homes. This isn't just a toy, it is a tool for a better life. Here at Educational Hub, we believe this is the breakthrough we have all been waiting for. If you like the video, subscribe to Educational Hub, share the video, and hit the bell icon to STA. Why updated on the future of tech?